Welcome to Expert Tech. This is Imdad. Let's start. Welcome to this course 2-in-1 Cisco CCNA 200 to 301 and Python Network Automation. In this course, we are going to learn the complete topic of CCNA 200 to 301. So you will ready to get certified. And not just that, we will also learn about network programming automation using Python. If you are a beginner, don't worry, you're still able to join this course because we will start from the very basic. We will learn about what is computer network and how computer network can help us. After that, we will learn about IP address, subnetting and networking model. If you understand about the basic of computer network, next we will start learning about Cisco. We will learn about the basic of Cisco command first. After you're familiar with Cisco command, we will learn about switching in Cisco like VLAN and trunking, port security, Ether channel and others. We'll also learn about routing topic in the Cisco like inter-VLAN routing, DHCP server, static routing, dynamic routing using EIGRP, OSPF and BGP, access list, network address translation and others. Remember that this is 2-in-1 course. So we not only learn about Cisco CCNA, but we will also learn about network automation. First, we will preparing the lab to learn about network automation on GNS3. After that, we will learn about network automation using Paramiko and NetMiko with many example cases. We will also learn how to build a web-based network automation application like this using Python Django. You can see the detailed topic that we are going to learn in this course in the description below. Little bit about me. My name is Imdad. I have more than 8 to 9 years of experience in networking. See you in the next video. Keep learning with Expert Tech on YouTube.